So today we're going to make some restaurant tables, and I'm going to use Maisie's M foam, a 16mm foam board. It's obviously waterproof and very easy to work with. I'm then going to double up. I'm going to glue an edge all the way around to make it 32mm. I'm going to wrap it with our HR, which is our high resistant cover style film, and then I'm going to edge it afterwards. So let's get the board cut. Well, I'm super excited about manufacturing waterproof, maintenance-free restaurant tables. So what we've done here, I've got a 16mm M foam archi board that we've doubled up. So I'll put a little rim all the way around, building it up basically to 32mm. And then I'm going to take my HR cover style U20, which is a concrete finish, and it's super scratch resistant. So by the time I've wrapped the top of this table, I think that it'll be very difficult to damage it, and there'll be very little maintenance for the restaurant owner going forward. I'm going to apply the top and I'm going to cut it flush all the way around, and then we're going to edge it. But first things first, let's measure the top. I've got a 900 by 900mm top, and I'm going to cut my film to 950mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to use my backing slitter, and I'm just going to run it all the way down the back like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to cut it to 950 again, just so I've got a bit of room all the way around. And then I'm going to make a starting butterfly zip. So I'm going to use my backing slitter, and I'm going to go between the paper and the film. And I'm going to cut about 30 or 40mm down like that. So I made a double cut. And what that allows me to do is to easily position my film. Before I apply the film, I'm going to wipe it down with the isopropyl alcohol water mix, mixed 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water. I'm already working with a high energy surface, so there's no need for any additional primer. It's nice and clean. So all I need to do now is just position my film, making sure that it covers all the way around. I'm quite happy with that. And now all I need to do is pull out my paper strip and start applying. And now I'm just going to cut my edges. I'm going to take special care to make this as straight as possible. So I've gone to National Edging, and I found a nice concrete edging that matches my wrap, and I think it's going to come out really nicely. Well, that's how quick it was to wrap the top of the table. It's going into a restaurant environment, so there's going to be a lot of plates on top and cleaning, and sometimes they're going to clean the floors and stack the chairs on top. And I'm confident that this wrap is going to outlast any other top on the market. But it's going to go into clear water puppuccinos for a couple of months, and then we're going to see how it stands up to that aggressive restaurant environment.